Yeah, greetings and praise the Lord. Praise the Lord, for this is another day that He has made for us. And as we progress with the work of the construction, the pouring of the material, this is our day free. And this is what we are doing. As I told you before, we are still pouring bricks. Our target is 35,000 bricks. That will be enough for the first phase of the building construction of AGAPE Christian School. We really thank God for the good weather, and we really thank God for the strength that He has given us, and for you who is standing with us in your prayers. Yeah, we have around 6,000 bricks remaining for us to reach our target. So far, we have brought 29,000, and by the end of tomorrow, we shall have reached our target, and then we will be able to start on the pouring of sand, lake sand, plaster sand, and then we shall bring the soft sand, and then we will bring the concrete, the stones, and we shall continue like that. We shall keep you updated. Thank you, and thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. You can still purpose to support us, and you can still purpose to pray with us, and you can still be with us. We shall keep you updated. God bless you.